Thikũ ya kerĩ mwena wa gĩcũa-inĩ, ambunge nĩ mathararĩtie mĩhang'o ya gĩikaro kĩrĩa gĩbangĩtwo gũtabanio kwa ihinda rĩa kiumia kĩmwe. Merũmĩte kĩni gũtirĩ ũndũ ũgũthiĩ na mbere thikũ iria megũkũ o nginyagia rũhonge rwa kĩgĩna rũrekererie kĩgĩna kĩa CDF.
Mambo muhimu kama elimu si mambo ya kupuuzilia mbali. Watoto leo wako nyumbani, sisi tutazunguka humu kwenye mahoteli tu tukikaa tunywe machai tunywe nini? Hapana. Ukienda maofisini mwetu watoto wamejaa. Mimi nataka tu nimwambie rais, ile ambao ulikuwa unatuambia wakati wa election, wakati wa kutafuta kura, utaangalia elimu, utaangalia, wakati wa elimu umefika, watoto wako nyumbani.
Na iletwe over 100 million. Hatutaki mambo ya 50%, tunataka 100 million ingie kwa account, ndio kitu yoyote ifanyike. Otherwise sisi hatutapatianga serikali pesa na sisi wananyima CDF pesa. Watoto wanataka kwenda shule. Kila mtu anajua sasa shida zimekuwa nyingi.
Muthenya wa ũmũthĩ megũtanyĩtwo kũgĩa na gĩikaro na mwandĩki mũkaru rũhonge-inĩ rwa kĩgĩna itemi-inĩ rĩa gwetha kĩhonia kĩa ngucanio iria thiũrũrũkĩirie kĩgĩna kĩa CDF, no mageria make ma gũtabania mũcemanio ũcio maringa ihiga.
That PS, he has no information because when he came to request us to proceed with the meeting and he has no solution. He is not part of the solution. He is part of the problem. And they ought to have projected ahead the money that was supposed to be given to us.
Kwa hivyo kama wabunge tumesema hakuna lolote litaendelea hadi pesa za maeneo bunge ziwekwe kwenye account ili tuweze kulipa karo ya watoto yatima, ya wale wajana ambayo mabwana zao wameuawa katika sehemu tunazotoka, hawana mbele, hawana nyuma.
Maugĩte kĩhonia kĩa naihenya gĩtangĩoneka, aciari arĩa marehoka mbeca icio gũtwara ciana thukuru nĩo mekũherithĩka milioni 7 iria thirikari ĩrĩga kũrekereria ti njiganu.
We should have had 16 billion shillings disbursed, which means every constituency by now should have had a minimum of 80 million shillings. And we are saying today here, unless we get 100 million shillings per constituency, we are not going to participate in any parliamentary business going forward. We are not going to leave Mombasa, and we are not going to sit in any induction without the money in our accounts.
Makĩria ma ambunge 200 nĩo mekinyĩtie kĩgomano-inĩ gĩkĩ kĩrĩa kĩrambĩrĩirie mũthenya wa ira. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Jenga Wambui.